ramdam na to? Buhay ba to? Nakatulog siya sa ganitong venue, sa ganitong event. Sino ba kasama nito? Lasing ba to? Baka, hi! Welcome to the outside world! Hi! Masarap matulog dito, aircon. Walang aircon sa inyo. Nakatulog siya sa concert. Nakakaloka ka. Welcome back to the afterlife. Pasensya ka na, nakakaabala kami. Matulog ka lang ang ingay mo kasi nagising tuloy. Ano pangalan mo?
Maki.
Maki. Nakadrugs ka ba? Parang dito ka inabutan ng crashing. Okay ka lang? Okay. Are you sure you're okay? 2 ships? 2 barko? 2 ships?
Night shift.
Not night shift. What do you do?
Nurse.
You're a nurse. Oh. Pero sa kalagay mo, mga pasyente ka ngayon. Oh. Well, I feel you because my mom used to be a caregiver. You know, she barely gets to sleep because she was taking care of a lot of people. And I know that you took care of your patients earlier and you're tired. But even you're tired, despite the fact that you're tired, you still showed up here to support us. Thank you very much. I appreciate your presence. I know that you're very tired and you're trying your very best to enjoy, but you're sleepy. It's okay. I empathize with you. Yeah. You want to rest now? Not yet. Not right now. God bless you. May you survive all the challenges in life. May God bless you and your job and your patience. Ilang oras ba trabaho mo?
16.
16? In fairness, ha? Pero fresh ka pa din. Nurse ka din, ate?
Yes.
Ilang oras ang trabaho mo?
8.
Mas konti pero mas fresh siya sa'yo. Ano nangyari? 8 ka lang, haggard ka. Ito, 16.